Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Thor Kitchen 24-inch built-in microwave drawer, model TMD2402. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a premium, space-saving solution that combines both design and performance, the Thor TMD2402 built-in microwave drawer could be the perfect fit. With its stainless steel finish, modern interface, and flush-mounted design, it integrates seamlessly into your cabinetry for a clean, high-end look. Let's talk design first. The 24-inch built-in form factor allows this microwave to be installed under countertops or within kitchen islands, freeing up counter space and contributing to a clutter-free environment. The flush installation ensures the unit blends effortlessly with other built-in appliances and cabinet lines. What really makes the Thor TMD2402 stand out is its auto touch open and close drawer system. A gentle touch opens the drawer smoothly and quietly, giving you access to the spacious interior. This is especially useful when you're handling multiple dishes or your hands are full. Just a light tap and the drawer opens or closes automatically, no pulling or slamming required. With a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, it offers ample room to accommodate everything from a bowl of soup to a full-size casserole dish. The flat-bottom design means there's no need for a turntable, which reduces the chances of spills and makes it easier to clean. You can simply wipe it down after use, and you're ready to go. The microwave packs 1000 watts of cooking power, giving you fast and consistent heating. It also comes with 10 different power levels, so you can customize the intensity for different types of food. Whether you're gently melting chocolate, reheating pasta, defrosting meat, or popping popcorn, you have precise control over the cooking process. It features sensor cooking technology, which automatically adjusts cooking time and power levels based on the humidity and type of food inside. This ensures optimal results without the guesswork. Alongside that, you have preset cooking functions like defrost, reheat, popcorn, and beverage, making daily tasks quick and convenient. The touch control panel is easy to read and use, with an intuitive layout and bright LED display. The 30-second express cook function is ideal for quick reheats, and the keep warm feature maintains food temperature until you're ready to serve. You'll also appreciate the mute option, which lets you silence alerts and beeps, great for quiet households. Let's not forget about safety. This microwave drawer includes a child safety lock to prevent accidental use, especially handy if you have little ones exploring the kitchen. The drawer glides smoothly, with a durable build that's designed to last. Installation-wise, the unit fits neatly into a 24-inch cabinet space, with recommended cutout dimensions of 22 1/8 inches wide by 23.5 inches deep by 15 inches high. At around 70 pounds, it's sturdy but manageable, and installation instructions are clear and straightforward. It also comes with built-in ventilation and operates quietly, making it a great option for open-concept kitchens. And thanks to Thor Kitchen's reputation for professional-grade appliances, you can expect reliability and support when you need it. To sum it up, the Thor TMD2402 isn't just a microwave, it's a high-end, user-friendly solution for the modern kitchen. It combines powerful performance with elegant design and convenience features that make everyday cooking faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Click the link below for the best price on the Thor Kitchen TMD2402 microwave drawer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.